Hello, welcome. Today I am bringing you another Mix It Up Monday. This is where I gather up with a group of friends and we hop in to do a little bit of mixed media along with the sketch. So I will put the sketch up in the corner right here so you can see it while I'm working. So who am I? I am Karen. I am the everything behind A Little Kinder here on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. I am so glad you joined me today for this layout. One of the things that I really loved about this sketch was the circles that went across. That really kind of drew my attention and I wanted to mimic that. Now I am going to cheat a little bit on this layout. I'm still in the camper. And so I don't have access to everything. So I thought this might be a good way to share just a little bit of mixed media. And a technique that I'm going to do is we're going to put ink on the stamps and then I'm going to lightly mist them. This is going to give us a little bit of a runny watercolor effect, which I think is going to mimic a little bit of the mixed media that you see behind the photo. So that's kind of the plan for that. We're going to cut some circles. We're going to cut some pieces. I am going to be using a couple of things that are really kind of fun. I have been on a 49 and Market kick. And if you've been on the channel lately, you've seen that. I am in love, y'all. Their product is freaking amazing. And you get a ton of it. So I am trying to work through what I have because I have a lot of it and it's fabulous. So we're going to use this paper. This one is called what? Great Big World. I like the map, but we're going to do this side. I chose this side because of the circles. And so my thought is we are going to punch some pink circles. We're going to do them across like you see in the sketch. Then we have our photo that I'm going to mat on the blue and then place on here. I thought that would be perfect. And I am going to leave, I believe, the black piece. So that's where we're going. I did pull out this punch because I want to take this piece and do the tear tab look at the top that you see in the sketch. And then I pulled out a 2 1/4 inch circle punch. I wasn't exactly sure what size I wanted. Looking against the frame, I feel like this is going to be a nice size to work with. I thought about going 3 inches, which would have been about like this, but then I thought that might be a little big and you might lose the circle. So we're going to start out with 2 1/4 and see what it looks like. If I need to, we'll graduate up to that big one. So I'm going to cut the mic off, speed up the film, and we're going to make a layout together. See you in a few. our finished layout. I loved this sketch. It was so fun and easy to work with, and the products went together so beautifully. I did add in some of the Scrap and Happy Studios canvas flare, which is her flare without the glare. I love it. Just worked really well together. I liked the colors. I'm not sure if the collection was meant to be together, but I really like it together. I also think it would work well with the nature one that just came out here pretty recently. So, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. It is Scraptember as well as Mix It Up Monday. I did cheat just a little bit with the mixed media part. And you know what? I give you permission to cheat too. Nobody's going to know. But there was lots of beautiful mixed media on the paper already. And so I thought, why not use that? Add a little bit of the stamped hearts in so you see it behind what's going on, and then also on my pink circles. My friends, make sure that you check out the hop list below and the playlist. They're going to take you to different places. The hop list is going to take you to everyone doing Mix It Up Monday, and the I just lost the name of it. Y'all, words. The other will take you to Scraptember's playlist. Oh, it's the playlist. Hello. So anyway, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you be part of our tribe. Until next time, my friends, go make some memories. Bye-bye.